It can contain a long screen for watching films. Guys who just bought Benz S and Audi A7 will be in tears while watching this. The new BMW 7 Series have released. Look, the DRL with the crystal base. The effect of flowing water is shiny. The big mouth, a round of strip lamp. The people of your hometown can see your new car from 500 meters. A new BMW 7. The 4 doors have become electric ones. Press it and it opens. Don't worry if someone can't use it. Here is a mechanical handle to the front. The long screen isn't something new, even in 2022. The amazing thing is the ambient lighting around with the crystal base. The buttons are floating in the crystal. They're like diamonds mounted in my car. I can change its color. Now it's my favorite pink now. Press it and it's changing to blue slowly. Wow, check it out. The owners of Benz S. What do you think? The whole rear seats are managed by this small screen. Certainly, there's something more dramatic. Look, it can contain a long screen for watching films. Such a large screen, it has 6,000 to 8,000 pixels. The first time I see a screen below in the back, so generous. It also feels like there's a small partition between the driver and the assistant and me, so I can have more privacy. Don't you always look at me through the rear mirror? Here is a pure electric i7. I just know it's 5.4 meters long, which is like the Fuel 7 series, nothing more. Are you interested in it? Follow me.